So in this video we're going to be looking at how we can calculate a simple probability. Now probability is a measure of how likely an event is going to occur, and it's a number that's measured between 0 and 1. Look at the notation given in the question. It says that I need to be able to calculate the probability of getting a red. Although a probability can be written as a fraction, decimal, or percentage, in this case we'll write the probability of getting a red as a fraction. The numerator will give me the count of the event, in other words, the number of reds, and the denominator will be the total number of outcomes, in other words, how many counters I've got altogether. So as you can see, I've got 3 red counters, and this is out of how many counters I've got altogether, in this case 10. 3 tenths can't be simplified, but if I wanted to return the answer in any of the other forms, I could write 3 tenths as 0.3 or 30%. Any one of these would be a valid answer. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with this question, I'm after the probability of getting a green. And as we did on the left hand side, let's first of all write it as a fraction. There are 2 greens out of 5 altogether. 2/5 can't be simplified down, but if I write it in another form, 2/5 is the same as 0.4 or 40%.